WebEx to use it here.
Yeah.
I did that and it still doesn't work.
Oh, okay. Then
Yeah, and I never was in WebEx, and it also didn't work for me.
okay, I think I saw Charles, and then it disappeared again.
Colleagues, we have only 20 minutes left.
Yeah.
Yes, but if Charles is not here, we cannot. Yeah, Charles is here, but apparently without sound. I hope he can fix. So indeed, we have already some time passing. So I would suggest Dimitri to start this session addressing our graduates.
Leo, you have forgotten to start recording.
Thank you very much. That means you already started the recording.
Yes, I did. Yeah.
Okay. Dimitri, are you here?
Yes, colleagues. It's a pity we don't see each other, because it would be really great. But we have seen each other for 18 months now, so maybe we're tired of each other, right? Dear participants, you graduated from IHE Delft, and actually you already received your diplomas. So it's such a pity that I cannot hand it to you, and we all cannot hand it to you, these diplomas. It would be really great to do it physically, but life brings interesting things. So we are moving towards virtual world, as you see. So we are sort of disconnected, connected, however, by networks. So this shows importance of technology, and hydroinformatics is about technology, isn't it? So you're on the right track. So learning technologies that would allow people to connect. But it's not only technology, because I think IHE also connects you personally, professionally, and emotionally, and whatever words you could choose. So this is power of IHE. I think you created these networks now that would stay forever. So technology helps, but of course the main thing in connection is in this interpersonal communication. And I think you did it very well also developing this here. I wonder how many people are hearing me, because I see only 3 people. Maybe you're not muted, that's why. I understand now.
You are
okay.
not muted.
Now, from our group, I think I would convey the main message that we're very proud of you, that you managed to finish this study so well. You received excellent results, wrote wonderful thesis, so you could be proud to show it to your colleagues and to your relatives. You can put your diploma on the wall, and I think it's quite valuable diploma in all senses. We also learned a lot from you. I am not tired to repeat this, because it's a very important moment that we learn a lot from you, as perhaps you learned certain things from us as well. So let's be in touch in the future. We could do more research together, maybe to develop new projects. Maybe you could recommend our studies to your colleagues and younger students that are graduating now from universities. So we'd really appreciate if you could sort of become member of Hydroinformatics community till and carry the flag of Hydroinformatics high. Well done. All the best to you all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You are now
Yeah,
unmuted.
thank you, Dimitri.
Thank you very much.
I would like also to add, I would like also to extend my gratitude to my colleagues, to all the lecturers that lectured in this course, because we really think you're part of our family. If maybe children or maybe brothers and sisters, that's what you are to us. So thank you, colleagues, also for doing this so well.
Yes, thank you, Dimitri. We are now going to show a video. That's next. That's a video of 5 minutes that was prepared for you and for this session. And for that, I think I need to take presenter.
I hear sound already.
No.
No.
This is a 3-minute video. So I am going to do it now. I hope you are seeing it.
Yes, we are.
Yes.
I would like to congratulate you with this great achievement in your life. We hope this course was useful for you. You learned something from us, but for sure we learned a lot from you as well.
There is no
You
sound.
were also very nice in the group, also during your the taught part, and you have a broad, wide interest in many topics.
You are the first batch that are graduating, acting as specialization coordinator.
Congratulations for achieving an important milestone of your career.
I was imagining this day a bit different, shaking hands with you, giving you the diploma.
But this is also something very special which has never happened before, so something to remember forever and cherish, and to tell stories about it to your near and dear ones.
It was really a pleasure to share with you many things, to teach you. I learned also a lot from you.
I hope that you will never forget. You had a truly special way of defending your thesis and experiencing how you can work and be examined online.
It's a pity that we could not be together during these important days when you were defending. Due to my illness, I couldn't even join the students that I was involved with in the guidance, Prakash and Charles and Quishi, but I would have liked to be there also for Danilo and for Courtney and for Manzur.
Congratulations everyone, it was great to work with you, and I hope after this 1 year of hard work you are really happy and ready for your new life as hydroinformaticians.
Congratulations once again.
It was a real pleasure to have you in class, and I hope that you enjoyed your stay at IHE and that you learned something from us at the Hydroinformatics sections.
I would like to wish you all the best in your future career.
I wish you all the best in your further career, and mainly in health.
All the best, and I hope to see you sometime in the future.
So that's it. I think you deserve an applause.
You are now
This is wonderful.
You are now
This is great. Excellent video.
You are now unmuted.
Excellent people. Of course, I don't mean lectures, I mean this. Right. That's very nice. Good photos. Most of them, of course, are from Florida, if I understand correctly.
Indeed. So that was actually the
are now
awarding of the diploma. So at the end of the video, you were all carrying your diploma. So congratulations again.
You are now
And
unmuted.
I think now it's time we have until 3:50, as you know, so we have 10 minutes exactly to talk about many things, including, for example, your feedback about the course. And
You are now muted.
I would like to have this conversation very informal. So if anyone wants to say something regarding the course, how do you feel? Did you get what you expected, etc.?
Maybe if I may add, Leo, maybe we could structure it a bit because we have only 10 minutes. So maybe you could say what you like about the course briefly. Also what you would suggest to improve in the course. Please be honest, because you get the diploma. We cannot take it out if we don't like what you say. And indeed, then whatever you want to say. But important for us is feedback on what we could improve. That's very important for us.
And we are going to ask one by one. So if you don't want to do it, you have to do it anyway. So maybe we will start calling because we only have 9 minutes now.
Well, can I say something?
Muted. You are
Of
now
course.
muted.
Yeah. So obviously best part was module 9, the field trip, but I like the most is module 6. Module 6, yes, the computational, there where we learned RTC and data-driven modeling. So that was the best part for me.
I wish you all the best.
And
Well, in my case, I like a lot numerical method because it remember me about how we used to do things in the old times, solving equations of all those methods, and also the part of machine learning that was a bit new for me. But in general, all the course was wonderful.
But please say something, colleagues, what you would like to suggest to improve. Please do it.
To improve, maybe more time for the thesis, or not only 18 months, maybe more, 2 years, something. Have more time for, of course, more learning. Well, if I add to module 6, maybe there are lots of other new algorithms which can be added to the course. I think, from my opinion.
okay, so let's hear somebody else, maybe Charles. What would you like the course, and what would be your feedback? Anything to improve?
And colleagues, may also ask to tell you something. We'll be switching to two types of programs, 1 year and 2 year. Which program would you prefer if you would be coming again, or some of your colleagues, younger colleagues, would be coming to IHE? What would you recommend? 1 year program with a much smaller MSc part, like 3 months, or 2 year program, or 21 months program with 9 months MSc? Thank you.
Obviously, 2-year program is better than 1 year because there are lots of things to learn. Actually, I've learned lots of things in this 1 year course. So if it's greater than it, obviously I'll learn more. Yeah, I also think that 2 years MSc would be better for the coming people.
I agree with that as well. In terms of what I enjoyed, although our class was small, I enjoyed the fact that it was small because we actually got quite close and we were able to work together and help each other where it was necessary. And I also enjoyed my relationship, particularly with all of the lecturers. You guys are amazing, and I want to say thank you very much for all that you taught us, particularly me, and how receptive you were to our questions, our queries, any troubles we were having, and how calm you were in reassuring us, and particularly me in some cases, that it would be all good. So I want to say thank you very much to you guys as well as to my classmates. I love all of you. In terms of making the program a bit better, I would say probably, if it's possible, incorporating the use of some more open source software because not everyone may have access to the proprietary software when they go back to their countries. So being able to have a viable alternative could be useful. But in terms of improvement, that's the only thing I could really say that could make it a bit better or a bit more useful for those that may not have access to proprietary software.
Thank you very much. I think we have 4 minutes, so I will start asking one by one. For example, Prakash. But Prakash is now listening only.
He gave a feedback
and you need to be present also with your sound. So
you are now unmuted.
Try to fix that, Prakash.
Prakash
so
has
meanwhile,
given a comment that he prefers 2 years course. It seems he cannot say. Also, Charles gave a comment on the chat box.
Oh yes, but that's I think the way to fix it is you click on your sound device icon, and then by doing that you will join again.
I also think the 2-year course is quite nice. It'd be a lot better.
Great. So Mr. Krishi, you can maybe talk.
Hello, can you hear me?
Sure.
I think, in my opinion, I prefer to the 2-year course too, because actually I think still the 1.5 year is not long enough for me. I think because usually I need to learn a lot of things. I need to get familiar with these things, and I find that my learning efficiencies when the time is closing to the end, the learning efficiency is increasing. So I really hope that I can get another half year to finish my thesis and also learn some more things. And so I really like the 2-year course.
And what would you improve to make the course better?
Actually, I have to say that I love each section, which I think at present is already quite well, I think.
Okay.
Leo, Charles tried closing and coming back, didn't work. You have another option that they can directly go to the icon. Which icon? Can you direct Charles? And Prakash is there now. Prakash can talk in the meantime.
Are you listening me?
Yes.
Okay. I think we need to use the headphone. I just use headphone and then we can. I think 2 years course will be better, and the course which I like most during this 18-month period is the numerical method, and I was too stressed in the module 5, and I think the course content is too heavy for this module 5. And I would like to thank all of my professors, lecturers for this, and my friends for this wonderful time. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Prakash. So the alarm you just heard indicated 1 minute to go.
Yes.
So that means we have a few seconds.
Yes, colleagues, may I ask something? Look, maybe we could also do this. Maybe you could put in the chat box then, because we don't have time, answer to the following question. What would you prefer, to have a more specialized course, like we have now actually, quite specialized, because common elements are not that many with other courses? Or you would like to be more interdisciplinary, to learn other things which are not currently in the course?
So I will start a poll, and then question A, or let's say option A is the first one Dimitri just said, and A and B. So if you repeat again, Dimitri, the options.
So A, to have quite specialized course like we have now, hydroinformatics, hydraulic engineering, you know, hydrology and so on. So these are specializations, to keep them as they are now. Or what is also suggested by some people, to have less specialized modules in this course and to have many more modules which would be general, which would be common for many more people in the institute. But it would allow you then to be more interdisciplinary. You can study water governance, maybe sociology, maybe some other aspects which are not currently in the course. What would you prefer? You have choice of A or B. Please vote. 6 votes we need.
Okay, so can you see the results of the poll?
No.
Okay,
Prakash typed A.
No.
If you miss one.
No, but no,
Chatted A.
let me see how I can make this.
As long as you have the video on, you cannot publish a poll. You have to go back to this big blue button screen where the PPTs are.
And I see PPT in the middle. What is this? This screen of YouTube of Leo. Can I switch it off somehow?
And in the meantime, I can comment on with the module 5. Indeed, we took also your evaluation at that time, where you also gave good suggestions, and I thank you for that. And we're actually we've reduced at the moment already the at least by one assignment report for this year. So we're looking into that, into further improving module 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, so actually every year we have this poll, maybe a bit longer than this time, but we typically hear voices that it's too difficult, too much to do, we're too stressed and all this. So this year it's a bit different, less of stress. Maybe there was a stress, but at least you're not telling much about this, so it's good. Why? We also reduced the amount of, during last maybe 5-6 years, we reduced the amount of teaching actually. To allow you to master, we give you more, to give you more time to comprehend, to understand, and to do assignments. So that's what we did. And perhaps we should do more. I agree. At certain moments, we have really great stress for many participants. Right. But where is the poll, Leo?
Yeah,
it's there. 6, I see it. It's 6 says A, and 0 say B.
And where do you see it? I see nothing. I see
right, lower right corner of the presenter screen.
Lower right corner, I see plus sign, actions.
No,
right.
That is to the left.
Sorry?
Right corner.
Right.
Guys, we need
Restore
to go.
presentation. Ah, yes. Oh, 6. Yes, I see it now. Yes. Okay.
Maybe, Leo, to remember that tomorrow we join for coffee, right?
Right.
Important for Charles also, that we can still talk with each other tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we have to run now.
Yes, I'm sorry. We need to finish now. So thank you again, and see you now. Let's go back to YouTube streaming.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Once again. Bye. Bye-bye. Thank you.